Home brewing of beer has become a relatively popular activity enjoyed by people around the world. Since beer is such a loved drink, people are often using the opportunity to home brew in order to experiment with different types of ingredients to create their own perfect craft beer varieties. While there are many different accessories and tools that are needed during this entire operation, the best conical fermenter is certainly one that any enthusiast who's serious about brewing good beer will need. We've researched and discovered the 7 best conical fermenters, as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 7 best conical fermenters, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, SS Brewing Technologies Brew Bucket Stainless Steel Fermenter. Since stainless steel is most certainly the best material to opt for those looking to start using a conical fermenter at home, we decided to start this review by looking at the best stainless steel fermenter that you can currently find on the market. The SS Brewing Technologies Brew Bucket Stainless Steel Fermenter is a high quality option at a decent price. The fermenter weighs around 12.99 pounds, making it a relatively portable option as well. It can hold up to 6.95 gallons of content, which means that you can ferment a relatively large amount of beer at a time. This product uses 3.75 ball valve as a connector and is very durable, which means that you'll be able to use the SS Brewing Technologies Brew Bucket Stainless Steel Fermenter for quite a while without having to worry about wear and tear. Coming in at number 2, Strange Brew Fastferment Plastic Conical Fermenter. If you're on a lower budget and you're rather looking for the best plastic conical fermenter that's currently on the market, but you're not sure which to choose, don't miss the Strange Brew Fastferment Plastic Conical Fermenter. This particular option can be mounted to a wall thanks to the built-in mounting system, or you can have it stand on the floor freely due to the accompanying floor stand. The best Strange Brew Fastferment Plastic Conical Fermenter can take up to 7.9 gallons of liquid at a time and is made from HDPE food-grade plastic, which means the plastic is high quality and not as likely to scratch like some of the competitor plastic conical fermenters that you'll find. This fermenter comes with a 1-year warranty and is available in white. Coming in at number 3, SS Brewtech Homebrewing Brew Bucket Fermenter. The best conical fermenter for homebrewing in cases where people are looking for an option that's made from higher quality materials without worrying about spending more money would be the SS Brewtech Homebrewing Brew Bucket Fermenter. This product is made from top quality stainless steel materials that will last a significantly longer period of time without scratching, staining, or wearing out. The product only comes in a standard stainless steel option with no painted varieties available. An LCD thermometer is built in on the SS Brewtech Homebrewing Brew Bucket Fermenter in order to provide an accurate reading on the internal temperature of the conical fermenter. In addition to being a great choice for homebrewers looking to brew their own beer at home, this particular option can also be an excellent choice for professionals making crafted beer. Looking to learn more about the best conical fermenters in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Fastferment Conical Fermenter Homebrew Kit. The best small conical fermenter that we found available for people who are on a very small budget would also still like to choose the best brewing batch of home beer is the Fastferment Conical Fermenter. This is a plastic fermenter that's appropriate for brewing smaller batches of beer, as the container only holds about 1 gallon of liquid at a time. The product's container is made from a relatively high quality plastic that helps to reduce the risk of scratches while also providing a safer environment for the liquid that's being brewed to ferment properly. In addition to the default 1 gallon option, it should be noted that the Fastferment Conical Fermenter Homebrew Kit is available in a 2 and 3 gallon option as well. With these, a somewhat larger batch of beer can be brewed while still having a product that does not take up much space. Coming in at number 5, the Catalyst Fermentation System. The Catalyst Fermentation System is, as the name implies, a complete system that makes the entire process of fermentation in a conical fermenter easier and more convenient than with many of the other options that you'll find. The product can take up to 6.5 gallons of liquid at a time and comes included with a range of accessories that eliminates the need to first pour the liquid to another container before bottling your freshly brewed batch of beer. The fermenter system comes with a tank made from BPA-free polymer that's classified as food safe. What this means is there's no chemicals that will slowly seep into the liquid that's being fermented while the product is in use. Coming in at number 6, Fermenter F3 Conical Blichmann. Those looking for a professional option that will allow them to brew up large batches of beer at a time and offer them the quality that they need to continue fermenting liquid continuously should definitely have a look at the Blichmann Fermenter F3 Conical. This particular one can store as much as 27 gallons of liquid at a time. The Blichmann Fermenter F3 Conical is made from a very high quality industry standard stainless steel material. The fermenter comes with a set of wheels that can be attached and the tank is fitted into the stainless steel frame. This makes the device relatively portable even though it's much larger than some of the other options in this review. Coming in at number 7, BrewDemon Conical Fermenter. Finally, within this list, the BrewDemon Conical Fermenter is the perfect option for people who are looking to start their own homebrew operation on a low budget. This product is available for relatively cost-effective rate and comes with a complete system that takes away the need for pouring the beer into a separate bucket or container and running the liquid through special accessories before the batch is ready to be bottled. The BrewDemon Conical Fermenter can brew batches of up to 2.5 gallons. The fermenter can be used to produce beer, wine, cider, and many other beverages. An adjustable flow spigot comes included, as well as a temperature gauge, a bubbler upgrader, and a CO2 venting plus. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite conical fermenter. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com Conical Fermenter to avoid. Fermentasaurus Starter Kit. After thoroughly researching conical fermenters in order to bring you this particular review, we found plenty of good options available, and we also wanted to share one that's the worst conical fermenter on the market. It's crucial that you avoid buying a poor quality product, as this may increase the chances of serving up contaminated beer, and it can greatly affect the taste of the beer that you're brewing. We found the Fermentasaurus starter kit is really not worth your investment. While this particular option is relatively affordable, it is important to consider the fact that it's not made from the safest plastic available. If the plastic scratches, it may lead to a higher risk of bacteria starting to collect in these scratches, which could ultimately cause your batch of beer to be contaminated with bacteria and be not anything of quality to drink. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best conical fermenter. Brewing beer at home is not only a fun activity, but it also allows you to do some experimenting and to create a couple of unique brews that you can enjoy, as well as brews that you can serve to friends or potentially at a craft brew festival professionally. This is an economical way to brew up batches of beer that you prefer instead of having to limit yourself to the options that are available at the local liquor store. Brewing beer takes time, patience, and a couple accessories. Adding the best conical fermenter to the batch of tools that you use can greatly improve the process of brewing your own beer and has a relatively number of additional benefits in store for you as well. Looking to learn more about the best conical fermenter in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite conical fermenter. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.